Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy and welcome to this tutorial. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to discuss about the array. How can we use array in SQL Script? So I'll be showing you some of the example, and in this particular tutorial, I'll be telling you what is an array and how to declare an array, and also I'll be telling you how to set an element. So how to set an element of an array, and also I'll be telling you how to return an element, how to return an element of an array. Okay, so first let me tell you the description of an array. As you might know that the array is an indexed collection of elements of a single data type. So I will be first telling you how to declare the array now. First, for declaring the array, you need to write the keyword declare, then the variable name. Suppose you want to write a name like ARR, so this is the variable name. Then you have to write the variable type, the SQL type, whether it's an integer or it's a so any scalar type you can write, right? So this should be the SQL type, and then you should write the keyword array. That defines that you are actually defining the array declaration. So that's about the array declaration. Suppose if I give the integer as integer, so this is what defines this variable ARR as kind of an array with integer type. So, and also you need to note that only unbounded array are supported with maximum cardinality of 2 to the power 31. 2 to the power 31 means from 1 to 2 to the power 31, and up to this value actually you can declare the array, and an array is always unbounded here. And but you can construct the array by directly assigning by some value. So let me show you the example. How can you construct the array using some value? So for that, suppose you have a declaration like ARR array. This is the one name and this is integer type and integer array type. And how can you construct? You have to just write array and 1 2 3. So it means, so what you have done by that, actually you were just constructing the array with these three elements 1 2 3, and this is about the declaration. Yeah, I can also give you some more example, but we need to move into the other topic, like how to set an element and how to return an element. So let me show you how to set an element. So for that particular part, suppose you have a variable, suppose ID, and you can, so this is the array type ID, and suppose you want to declare for 10. Just for a example purpose, I'm telling you that, so ID equal to 10. It means the index of which is 2 is the value 10, and all unset element of an array are null. If you for an array, so if you have a array of having elements 10, and if you declare you are constructing the data with the value 10, then the other elements will be null. So let me give you an example right here, and I have already written the example in the below code. So in this particular example, if you look into that, how we are using the array index and how we are actually setting this element. So and you need to remember that for array the index starts from 1, not for 0. So the index starts from 1, and in this particular example, and instead of using the constant value like up here we're defining by 10, so instead of using the constant variable, so we can actually bypass into the loop, and for that we can use the array index in here. So we are declaring an array type variable, and then we are passing this value, this array index from 1 to 10, and you can do this any calculation into this loop. So that's how actually you need to set an element of an array. So now coming to the next topic of this tutorial, that is the return of an element of an array. It means how can you return some value of an array. And for that I have already written the example in the below code in here, and also I will execute. So let me just execute first in order to see the data in it. Yes, so it is working at the moment, and here we can see that we have declared a variable ARR with the constructing the data 1 2 3, and the another variable that is index, array index, and declaring with the 1 2. And what we have done, that if you can see and look into this code, and this array index 2 means the value of 2 is getting saved in the array 1, and then this array 1 we are actually populating into the select. So it means that value 2 will be populated in the select statement. So if we can execute this statement, we can see this result is 2. So this is how actually you can return an element of an array. Means you're just passing the value of an array into some other variable. So that's how actually you can build or you can use the array in the SQL script. So it's a small tutorial about the array, and we do have more tutorial on array in the coming videos or in series, like unnest. We'll be talking about unnest, or you are talking about the array aggregation. Also we'll be talking about the trim array, and we'll be talking about the cardinality. So please have a look at my other videos, and thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe my channel. Also please watch my other tutorial. I have given the link in my below description. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.